Hey guys, in the last video I introduced a super cool way to select the background color for our app, and today I'm just going to explain it a bit further. So the main complex part of this is the for each loop, and the fact that it's looping on background color, which is an enum. So let me just take a moment to show you that enum in case you forgot it. And as you can see, it just is really simple. It has one case for each background color, and it also conforms to CaseIterable and Equatable. So we're making it conform to CaseIterable to allow us to loop over it in the for each loop, and in this case we're making a circle for each case. And the equatable part basically means that if we have two variables of type background color, if they have the same case value, then we can equate them to being true. And that's going to allow us in our dot on tap gesture to see if the current background color is the same as the one that the user is tapping on. And the dot scale effect is just a tertiary operator that's really simple to check if the current background color is the same as the circle. It'll just scale it up a little bit. And I hope that kind of clarifies everything we've been doing. I'm also going to be adding a padding on our VStack just so we can see everything more clearly, and that is all we're doing in this code. So it's really not that complicated, but feel free to rewatch this video and the past one if you're still a bit confused. Happy coding!